So I wanted to do a quick video showing how I made the top, the raised acrylic top for this Qidi Fast. Mostly because a lot of the files that I've printed or designed include using this acrylic top. So I definitely recommend it. It's a lot easier to see in the printer, as you can see. The bends in the hood they distort your view a little bit, and it also doesn't allow the hood to get scratched by the filament when you feed it in through the top like that. So there's a lot of reasons to do the lift, but let's get to the lift itself. So it's 15.5 centimeters tall. You'll cut your aluminum angle that high, as well as your plastic. And then you're going to cut your top piece 51.5 centimeters long, and your side piece 32.5 centimeters long. And that's really all there is to it, other than drilling some holes in the corners to accept your hardware. Now I had a mixture of hardware from an old drone package that I bought of RC stuff, and there were different, as you can see, I used some metal, some plastic hardware. But at the end of the day, I actually don't recommend this is how you do it. What I'd like to do is design some corner brackets. That way the force is spread across the whole bracket instead of at two connecting points, which can cause cracks when you're twisting it around and warping it, moving it on and off, etc. So that's how I did it. I hope you enjoy that video. I wanted to do it right away. There were some people asking, so I apologize if it's a bit quick and dirty, but at the end of the day, getting the information out there is the most important thing. So hope you're having a great time with your Qidi Fast. Let me know if you have any problems. I'll try and help you solve them. And have a great day, guys. Take care.